Why can't I speak English fluently? Many people think, I've been learning English for a long time, but I still cannot speak fluently. If you also feel this way, don't worry. You are not alone. Thousands of English learners face the same problem. Learning English is not only about watching videos, reading books, or listening to podcasts. Speaking English is a separate skill. Just like riding a bicycle or swimming, you cannot learn it only by watching others. You must practice it yourself every day. Maybe you have been watching English serials and listening to English podcasts for 2 years. That is very good because your listening skill is improving. You can understand many words in simple sentences, but understanding English and speaking English are two different things. When someone suddenly asks you a question in English, your brain first thinks in Hindi. Then it tries to translate the sentence into English. This process takes time. Because of this, you stop, hesitate, and forget the words. This is completely normal for beginners. Many learners make one common mistake. They spend hours watching English content, but they speak English for only 2 or 3 minutes a day. Imagine a person who watches cricket every day but never plays cricket. Will that person become a good player? Of course not. Watching helps, but playing makes you better. The same rule applies to English. If you want to speak English fluently, you must speak every day. Do not wait until your English becomes perfect. Start with very simple sentences. When you wake up in the morning, say, "Good morning. I am feeling fresh. I am going to brush my teeth." While eating breakfast, say, "I am eating breakfast. The food is delicious. I need some water." When you walk outside, describe everything you see. This is a tree. That is a bus. The weather is hot today. Do not worry if your sentences are short. Another mistake is trying to translate every Hindi sentence into English. This makes speaking slow and difficult. Instead, learn ready-made English sentences. For example, "How are you?" "I don't know." "Can you help me?" "I think so." "What do you mean?" Use these sentences again and again until they become natural. Reading English stories is also very helpful. Read 1 page every day. First, read silently, then read aloud. Finally, close the book and try to tell the story in your own simple English. This practice improves your vocabulary, speaking, and confidence at the same time. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every fluent English speaker has made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher. Remember, children also make many mistakes before they learn to speak their first language. Nobody laughs at them because mistakes are a natural part of learning. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking many times. So stop waiting for confidence. Start speaking, and confidence will follow. Also, do not compare yourself with people who already speak fluent English. Everyone has a different journey. Compare yourself only with the person you were yesterday. If today you can speak 1 sentence more than yesterday, you are improving. Be patient with yourself. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey. Some people learn faster, and some people learn slowly. The important thing is to keep moving forward. If you practice speaking for 20 to 30 minutes every day, think in simple English, read easy stories, learn daily use sentences, and stop translating everything from Hindi, you will notice a big difference in a few months. One day, you will suddenly realize that you are speaking English without thinking too much. That day will not come because of luck. It will come because of your daily practice.